Hello guys, in this video, we will explain the solution to the problem of repeated touch on the phone screen, and we will also solve the problem of touch not working in certain areas on the phone screen and restricting the use of touch on the phone screen. A simple solution only from our phone settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, I would like to thank everyone who subscribes to his channel, and everyone who supports me, and everyone who liked the video and shared the video. Thank you from the heart, and I hope that you get everything you wish for in this life. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings, then look for the general settings. After that, we click on accessibility. We search for accessibility and click on it. Now here, you will find motor disability and cognitive difficulties. We click on it after that. Here, if this feature is activated, deactivate it immediately, which is automatic transfer to the paragraph. Automatic transfer in the place where the cursor is parked. Deactivate this option. The second feature is continuous touch for calls. Deactivate this feature. Answer or reject calls without swiping on the finger and continuously touching. Activate this feature now. This is regarding the repeated touch, but regarding solving the problem of the touch not working in certain areas, we go down to the third other feature and deactivate it, which is the touch control areas. If you activate this scale, the touch control will be restricted to specific areas of the screen, and thus the touch will not work in specific areas of the screen, so I deactivate this feature. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.